Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the correct uploader or recipient account signed in. That's the only safe way to access unlisted content. Then search your email, messages, and cloud folders for full YouTube links or shortened URL. The addresses. These links are the key because unlisted videos are reachable only via direct URL. If a video was shared with collaborators, check shared docs, embed code, and private playlists. Once you find a URL, copy it into your browser to open the unlisted video. Next, go into YouTube Studio on the uploader's account and filter content by visibility to list unlisted videos directly. This confirms ownership and shows URLs. If you can't access Studio, inspect the channel's public pages for playlist embeds, community posts, or about links that may contain the URL. Also search Google Drive or other storage where the uploader may have saved links or embed snippets. Once located, open the link. Make sure you're signed into the intended account if playback is restricted. For final access, paste the discovered URL into a browser's private window to test whether it opens for non-signed sessions. This helps rule out caching issues. If you can't view it, contact the video owner and ask them to reshare the exact URL or temporarily change visibility so you can confirm it. Make sure they haven't set a link expiration or removed access. If the link still fails, check the uploader's shared settings and analytics to verify the video still exists and hasn't been deleted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.